Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you that which type of facilities our university provide us. So maybe if you want to come to China, then maybe it will be useful for you. So these facilities are for CST student, and I will also discuss for the other students too. So let's move forward, and I am going to discuss the computer and then server or GPU facility, then internet, its usage, price and speed, VPN software like Windows or Cloud Disk, and other softwares like MATLAB and Word, etc. Publication fee, and what about other labs, and this is the funny, for me actually it's funny thing, red packets. So if you want to know something more, you can comment. If I know, I will surely reply, and kindly subscribe so I can share more content. So let's start from the computer. So this is my computer, which I got from the lab. It have AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor, and you can see the clock speed 3.95, 16 GB installed RAM, but the hard disk is 1 terabyte HDD, but now I have replaced it with my personal SSD, that is again 1 TB. HDD and SSD, I hope you know the difference. SSD are the fast, but it's in China, those are not very expensive, so I bought my own SSD and replaced in the computer. Second thing we are going to discuss is the server. As you can see, these are two different servers, so I have account on actually three different servers. So each server have different kind of GPU, like this computer and this computer have different GPUs. So it have RTX 2080, and this one have RTX 3090, which is the one of the latest GPUs. So further, you can pause the this video, or maybe I can tell you even better. So it's have 8 MB one processor, have 8 MB, these are total 4 MB processor. If we go here, then it's 24 GB, and again these are the 4 processor. I have account another on another server, and that server have around 20 GB per GPU. Our third point is internet, its usage, price and speed. So for internet usage in my university, we have to pay 20 RMB per month. It's for the lab internet, to access the lab and university internet facilities. So this one is my lab account. Let's check its speed. So I have already tested the speed. You can see that its speed is 556 on download and 590 on upload. It's megabits per second. I hope you know that. Overall, China have actually very good performance. So in internet, you can see that on global index, China is on 6th number, and on mobile internet, China is on 5th number. So I can say that internet is pretty good in China. So internet is not your problem. Point 4 is the VPN. I hope you already know that you cannot access Google in China, but you can use other facilities like Bing.com and then Baidu and some other search engines. So the question is how to get VPN. I am not going to tell you anything about that because it is not legal in China to use VPN. So maybe you have to sort it out on your own by searching something. Fifth point is software. So we cannot get free Windows or maybe MATLAB and other software like that. So you have to use them like everyone use. On the other hand, we have a cloud disk. So this is our cloud disk. It have, I think, 1 TB space. I actually did not search it very in detail, but I'm pretty sure that it have at least 1 TB space. So next one is our sixth point, which is the publication fee. So For publication fee, I think more it depends on lab to lab. Mostly labs provide you publication fees, so I hope your lab will also provide you the publication fee, although it is preferred that you don't publish in the paid journals. So mostly you publish in the free journals, but if there is a publication fee, then most probably you are going to get it. Now let's talk about the other labs, like which is not the computer science labs, or some other lab. So these facilities like internet usage, price, speed, and VPN and software and publication fees, these facilities are same for others computer. If your work is related to computer, then you will get the computer too. But if your work is not related to computer, which is I know actually some labs who don't have computers. I also know some people uh, whose professor give them money to buy computer and laptops. So actually that's pretty depend on your lab. So it's better if you have some senior, you should talk to that senior and ask about that particular facility if you want to uh, access it. Then the red packets, it's a funny thing that some professor give money to students if someone publish the papers. So actually we don't get that, but some professors give that money too. Next, another thing is that so I included another question, that is that all students have lab. So the answer is no. I personally know some students who don't have lab. I talked to a master student. He said he don't have lab. He all have to work on his own. Okay, bye bye.